Hey there everybody, I'm here with my daughter and we're about to unbox another item for our channel. Let's start with unboxing. Hi Athena, say hi.
Hi.
Let's go, let's open it. Man. Whoa, what's that?
Let's open it now.
Open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Yeah.
This baby. Need a scissor.
Yeah. Look at this.
Okay, there. Whoa. Oh baby.
What scissors, please? What scissors, please?
More scissors. You got it? More scissors.
Yeah, more scissors.
It's good?
Yeah.
Let them see it, let them see.
This is.
Let them see it. Here. Okay guys, this is the Star Shower Laser Light. Let them see. You like it, baby?
Yeah.
No ladders, no hanging, no dead bulbs, no mess. Built-in light sensor. Just plug it in. Star Shower Laser Light. But first, ever wonder how to cook those delicious, mouth-watering traditional Filipino dishes like kare-kare, pininyahan, or tinolang manok? Tune in to Cucinero's cooking videos and he'll show you how to do these the easy way. He also goes live Mondays through Fridays, 7:30 p.m. Subscribe to Cucinero and boost your cooking knowledge today.
Oh.
What's that? It's an adapter.
Here. Wow. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, this is the base. Here.
Yeah.
This is where you. This is the one you use when you wanted to put it in your garden on the soil. Right here. Okay? And then the adapter comes with it. It has a USB interface down there. I don't know yet what this one is. We'll find out in a second. Another part, maybe a hinge. And Athena is holding the actual unit right here. So this is our star shower laser light, and with a cord right here with a USB interface. Pretty straightforward. So, Adina, you like it? One more? Okay.
Baby. Look at me.
Yes, I'm looking at you. You're so cute. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Fear attracts the fearful.
Whoa.
Fear is my ally.
So what do you think about that, baby? Is it good? You like it? What color is it? What color? This one.
Red.
This one.
Green.
And this one.
Black.
Good job. How about this one? You like this? What's that? What's that?
What's this?
Is it a knife?
No.
No, what is it? And this is... What's this one?
Charger.
Charger. Good job, baby. So here we go with our parts. So we have our lawn stake screw. We have our lawn stake. We have our power adapter. Our connector. And the actual unit of our star shower laser light. So this one, as it turns out, is the lawn stake connector. This is our screw right here. We will remove the screw head like so. Then we'll insert it here through the connector and the opposite side of our main unit, like so. Then we will put our screw head on the opposite side like so, and we'll tighten it up with the knob as well, located on the opposite side right here. You can now position the connector any angle you want, well, according to your taste, of course. Then tighten it up so you can use that angle. So this side is where we will connect the actual lawn stake, like so. So if you want to adjust the angle, you just loosen it up a bit and then twist it. Tighten it back up and there you go. Repeat the process as necessary to get your angle.
Perfect.
Wow. Ah!
It's good?
Yes.
Wow. Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it? Whoa, 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 whoa. So there you go with our unboxing and review of the Star Shower Laser Light. Huge thanks to the guys at Eastern Cold Brew Coffee for sponsoring our video today. Did you know that cold brew can boost your metabolism and lift up your mood at the same time? If ever you wanted that dark, rich, cold coffee taste, try Eastern Cold Brew Coffee today. Cold brew is not just coffee poured over ice. It went through a process of slow steeping coffee beans, then eventually straining them out. Eastern Cold Brew Coffee. It's the process, not the temperature. Try one today by clicking on their social media links on our video description. And as you can probably tell, through my daughter's laughter right there, that she loves this Star Shower Laser Light. And what's not to like? What's not to love? You can see on the wall right there, that's a chock full of goodness and happiness. By the way, what you see here in the video may not give the Star Shower Laser Light justice, because it's really more brighter and more vibrant when you see it for real. Well, anyway, this has been a pretty straightforward unboxing and review. Whatever you saw me and Athena got out of that box, that's what you get when you purchase a Star Shower Laser Light. All the parts included are pretty simple to assemble, and there's also an instruction manual included on the box, so you won't go wrong. In terms of powering it up, the device 3D is a 110 volt device, but then they included the adapter on the box as well, so you don't have to worry about that. You can plug it into your 220 volt wall socket and you'll have no problems at all. So there you go, guys. If you have questions and inquiries about this device, please comment it down below and we will try our best to respond to your inquiries. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click the notification bell, choose all, so you'll get notified with our uploaded videos in the future. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.